National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Boone County in north central Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeast Illinois until 3 o'clock a.m. At 2:01 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Woodstock to Marengo to 5 miles southeast of Belvidere and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Juneau around 2:15 a.m., Lakewood and Huntley around 2:20 a.m., Lake in the Hills, Hampshire and Algonquin around 2:25 a.m., Sleepy Hollow, Gilberts and Carpentersville around 2:30 a.m., West Dundee, Elgin and East Dundee around 2:35 a.m., Barrington around 2:40 a.m., Inverness and Palatine around 2:45 a.m., Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 55, Interstate 88 between mile markers 116 and 118. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. The following
12262 failed to go off.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Boone County in north central Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeast Illinois until 3 o'clock a.m. At 2:01 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Woodstock to Marengo to 5 miles southeast of Belvidere and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Juneau around 2:15 a.m., Lakewood and Huntley around 2:20 a.m., Lake in the Hills, Hampshire and Algonquin around 2:25 a.m., Sleepy Hollow, Gilberts and Carpentersville around 2:30 a.m., West Dundee, Elgin and East Dundee around 2:35 a.m., Barrington around 2:40 a.m., Inverness and Palatine around 2:45
I got it.
Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 55, Interstate 88 between mile markers 116 and 118. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.
Got dating